In this tutorial, you'll learn how to associate emails using ExtendSync while composing a new email in Outlook. We'll also review a few limitations of compose mode, explain why they exist, and show the recommended workarounds. Let's begin by creating a new email. Compose an email as you normally would. For this example, I only want to save this specific email to NetSuite. I don't need future replies in the conversation to sync automatically, so I'll use one-time association. With the ExtendSync panel open on the right, click Suggest Related Records. ExtendSync automatically identifies matching NetSuite record using the information such as the sender and recipient's email addresses and the subject line. If you need a specific record, you can also use Search for Records to locate it manually, for example, by using the customer name or transaction number. Once you've located the correct record, select it and click Associate Email. The email is now associated with the NetSuite record. All that's left is to send the message. What if you want future replies in the conversation to sync automatically to NetSuite? Autopilot can't be enabled while you're composing an email, but setting it up only takes a few extra steps. After sending the message, open the email from your Sent Items folder. With the email open, launch ExtendSync and select the appropriate NetSuite record. Go to the Autopilot tab, select the record. You can then choose one of the two Autopilot options, Updates to this thread or To From CC option. I'll use Updates to this thread in here and click Start Thread Autopilot. Future emails will now sync automatically based on the Autopilot option you've selected. Let's review two features that aren't available while composing an email and understand why. Autopilot. Autopilot requires Microsoft Exchange Message ID to track and synchronize future emails. That message ID isn't created until the email is sent and processed by Exchange. While you are still composing, the message exists only as a draft, so there's no permanent identifier available for Autopilot to use. That's why Autopilot must be enabled after sending the email from your Sent Items folder. File attachments. File attachments also can't be synced while composing. Microsoft only makes attachment files available through its APIs after they're uploaded to Exchange, which occurs when the email is sent. If your email includes attachments that needs to be saved to NetSuite, send the email first, then open it from Sent Items and associate it using ExtendSync. To recap, you can associate emails with NetSuite directly from the Compose window by selecting the appropriate record and clicking Associate Email before sending. For Autopilot and attachment syncing, simply send the email first, then complete the setup from your Sent Items folder. Hope you find this worthwhile. Thanks for watching.